Hello, have you ever considered that positive and negative thinking cannot operate at the same level? That's right. One has to be the stronger one. Did you know that the average person has about 60,000 thoughts a day, and 80% of those thoughts tend to be negative if we don't do anything about it? Of course, it's impossible to monitor 60,000 thoughts a day, but there is a shortcut to it. And this shortcut is called our feelings. So next time when you feel bad, angry, anxious, whatever emotion comes to mind, then pay close attention to what you focus on. It is impossible to feel bad and to think positive thoughts. This was my thought for this week, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.